Good morning, another good day, a wonderful day, to be in the presence of God. This is Solution Bearer Ministry. Lately when I was, reading the Bible, I was reading in the book of Psalms, and then I was reading Psalms 139, 7 and 8, which I read as follows: Where can I go to your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go into the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in Shiloh, you are there. When I was reading this scripture, one thing that just came to me or just popped into me, it was that whatever that we do, we must never think that God cannot see or God is not there. You might be sick now, thinking that you are alone in your sickness, thinking that nobody cares about you. There's no one that cares about you, but God is saying that I'm there. Even if you can go to the heaven, I'm there. Father, He is always there for us. Jesus is always there for us. Even though we cannot feel Him, we cannot see Him. Whatever challenges that we might be going through, whatever moments that you feel like, you need to give up because, you can't feel anything. I know that we are people in our nature. When things happen, we need to feel them. We need to experience them. But God is saying that He is there wherever, in each and every moment. Sometimes, it's best to imagine the presence of God next to you. Sometimes it's good to imagine God sitting next to you. There's one thing that I did. I've got a prayer room in my bedroom. So one thing that I did, or the revelation that I got, is it was to put a chair next to the prayer request that I have. So every time when I pray, I imagine Jesus sitting on that chair. I imagine Jesus' presence in the room, because it helps to show me or to let me know that His presence is there. I don't know what you're going through. It might be financial difficulties. It might be personal or whatever that you're going through in your life. And you think that the presence of God, it's not there. Let me tell you, my brother, my sister, the presence of God is always there wherever we go. We wake up in the morning not even knowing what will happen throughout the day. But when we go through that day, we experience God's presence in our life. We experience His protection from, leaving your home, going to your job, leaving your home, going to your school, or being there at your home doing things. There might be a lot of accidents that can happen. But because God's presence